Can't go a single day without using. Can't go a single day without looking. Now my eyes so glued and I'm losing sight of everything around me. Can't go a single day without using. Can't go a single day without looking. Going to withdraw. Peace on, peace on.
Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Danette and I am the Blended Beauty. I'm going to be teaching you how to do a natural glam that is easy for beginners and it's affordable. So keep watching. Let's get right. You want to start off with priming your face. Next is eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a spoolie and I'm going to brush my eyebrow hairs up and out the way. And then I'm going to use my brow pomade from Revolution Makeup. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to line the bottom of my brow. And I like to go right on top of the hair. And I'm going to do the same thing for the top. I'm going to line my natural brow. I'm going to dip back into my pomade and I'm going to make hair-like strokes from the bottom to the top. Bottom to the top. And I'm going to go in the direction that my hair grows. Now I'm going to take my spoolie and I am going to blend that product right into my eyebrow. Okay, so next I'm going to clean up my brows with my concealer, and this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. The same technique I used to outline my brows, I'm going to use it to clean up my brows. So when you made that line to trace your natural brow line or whatever eyebrow shape you want, you're going to basically do the same thing with your concealer. Blend that in and blend, 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 blend.
Blend, 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 blend.
Don't stop till you blend. So now that you are concealed, your eyebrows are on. If you need to color correct, you are color corrected. Now we can move on to the foundation. Usually I would do eyeshadow first, but because this is a natural face and you're not really using any color other than your own skin tone or some light shade of brown, we don't need to do all that. So we're gonna get straight into foundation. So for my foundation, I'm using L'Oreal True Match, and it is in the shade C6. I am just patting that into the skin. Now you're going to put your concealer on. You're going to take your beauty blender and you're going to blend it out. So we're going to set our concealer, and I put a little bit of some setting powder on my beauty blender. I'm using Airspun. This is also found in Target. I'm not sure the price point, but I will link all products that I've used in the caption below. And you're just gonna place it basically where you put the concealer. So now we're gonna contour, and I'm using this Black Radiance contour palette. So now that you're all contoured out, you want to blend it. You want to blend that down. And you see how it starts to blend into your foundation? Beautiful. Because if it's not blended, it's not right. Now, do you see the difference? Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And there's your contour. So now that you're contoured, you're going to use your blush. If you don't want to use blush, don't worry about it. But e.l.f. has a great putty blush, and this beautiful color is Bali. I'm going to go pretty much like right on top of my contour, but just like a little bit higher. So now that you're all blended out, you see that your face is coming together. So now we could go straight into the eyeshadow. You want to use a natural color, and I'm going to use my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Madagascar, and I'm just going to pat that onto the eye. Once you're done putting on your eyeshadow, you want to put on some eyeliner. I personally like to use a liquid eyeliner, and I'm using LA Girl Fine Line. So next is highlight, and you want to highlight your cheeks, the tip of your nose, the bridge of your nose, and a little bit of your forehead. Mascara and put on your lashes, or just leave it at mascara. Okay, so this is the final look. So if you like this video, give it a like, make sure you comment and subscribe. Bye. Are you okay? Don't forget to come and pick up your... Gotta get the double neck, girl. Gotta get the double neck, girl. I got a damn headache. Put the primer on. This lighting is absolutely trash. Can you see? This is as good as it's gonna get.